Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, we'll compare 5 powerful productivity tools with AI features, Tana AI, Obsidian, Notion, Anytype, and Capacities, to help you decide which one suits you best in 2025. Let's begin with Tana AI. Tana is designed as an AI-powered knowledge management system. It helps you organize your thoughts, projects, and daily tasks using a flexible graph-based structure. Its biggest strength is automation. It can create smart nodes and links automatically as you work. Next is Obsidian. Obsidian is perfect for building a personal knowledge base through connected Markdown notes. It focuses on local storage, privacy, and backlinks, making it ideal for researchers, writers, and thinkers who prefer total control over their data. With community AI plugins, you can enhance it to summarize or analyze notes. Now let's talk about Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, and collaborate. Its built-in AI assistant can draft content, brainstorm ideas, and automate simple tasks. It's great for teams or individuals who want everything, tasks, docs, and databases, in one place. Moving on to Anytype. Anytype is a privacy-focused, offline-first productivity app that works like a personal internet. It gives you full data ownership and lets you create and link pages, tasks, and notes locally. It's still growing, but its decentralized design and clean interface make it stand out. Lastly, we have Capacities. Capacities combines note-taking and task management into one visual workspace. It uses AI to connect your notes, ideas, and media into organized collections. It's perfect for creatives who want structure without losing flexibility. So which is the best? If you want automation, go with Tana AI. If you want total control, Obsidian is ideal. For teamwork and collaboration, choose Notion. For privacy and ownership, pick Anytype. And if you want visual organization with AI, try Capacities. Each tool shines in different ways, so the best one depends on how you work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.